Hey everybody, Susie with Mom's Dinner here, and I am in the kitchen this afternoon and I'm going to make some egg salad sandwiches for lunch. So I thought that I would share a video on how I make my egg salad. Stay tuned.
We're going to start this egg salad by making the dressing, which is going to start with a half a cup of mayonnaise. Then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of just classic yellow mustard. Then we're going to add in half a teaspoon of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. We'll taste for more salt at the end. Now I like to mix up the dressing first and then we'll get everything added into it, but that way it's at the bottom of the bowl and ready for everything else. You'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs, and you'll see when I cut mine open, they have a little bit of green around the yolk, but I'm telling you they were totally fine, tasted normal. So dice up those 6 hard-boiled eggs and get those added in with the dressing. Our favorite way to cook a hard-boiled egg is using the 5-5-5 Instant Pot method. They come out perfect every single time, promise. So the next thing we're going to do is add a little bit of crunch and freshness to this egg salad. I like to use celery and cut it into a fine dice. So I achieve this by running my knife down so that the celery is in long, thin strips, and then cut crosswise so it's in a nice little dice. And you're going to want to make sure that you have about 1/3 cup of celery, which was 1 large celery stalk for me. Get that added down in with the eggs and the dressing, and then we're going to add a little bit of onion flavor. This is going to add onion flavor and a little bit of crunch. We're going to do that with a 1/4 cup of green onion. I like to use the white and light green parts of the green onion. That's where all of the oniony goodness is. So everything's in there. Just go ahead and stir it all together. You're going to want to make sure that you're scraping up all of the dressing from the bottom and coating the eggs and the celery and the onions.
All right, so that is how I make my egg salad. It is delicious, creamy, and I will probably eat this on top of some bread with a little lettuce and a fresh tomato. I also love to eat it on top of a lightly dressed lettuce salad, or on croissants is my very, very favorite. So I hope that you make this egg salad recipe, and if you do, connect with me in the comments below and let me know how you liked it. We'll see you next time.